No.
What?
No, I like
The
the part there.
cooking?
You said your pasta is different from everyone else's.
It is.
So me guarantee people, listen to me this morning. Me I go show up at Talia Yard, me and Marvin with the plate and tingling.
We are not here for that this morning, guys. Welcome. Welcome back to Weekend Smile. So when she's not fueling her profession of helping businesses develop, commercialize innovative products and access new opportunities, she's fueling her passion of lifestyle blogging and content creation on her social media platform. Joining us to talk about exploring this paradise we call Jamaica is Alexandra Lexi Daly. Hi Lexi, welcome to Weekend Smile.
Thank you for having me.
Hi Lexi, top of the morning.
Good morning, doing.
All right, so
how are you?
I'm great, you know. Actually, we were discussing some food earlier.
We were discussing food, but I know that, you know, sometimes when we cook, we have hidden gems in the food. But you have visited quite a number of hidden gems around Jamaica. You know, tell us about some of your experiences and anyone probably that has probably just stood out to you off the top of your head.
Okay, so I love road trips, I love traveling, and since the COVID and the whole pandemic and lockdown, you kind of appreciate what you have more. So you can't really travel to abroad, you kind of have to explore the Jamaica and parishes and everything that comes with this beautiful island. And I've been blessed to have explored many hidden gems that is Jamaica. And off the top of my head, I could say the most loved parish is Portland right now because I love the nature vibe of it. I love that it's secluded. You don't have to worry about crowds now because I've been back as recent as Monday. And there was down to the town. You don't have any crowds there. You could just go about your business, enjoy the beach, and just live. So right now, I would say hidden gems for me in Portland would be Mansion Hill, Turtle Bay. So Turtle Bay has some beautiful, what do you call it? Waterfalls, they have rivers and just hidden locations.
Okay.
And you don't have to worry about, like I said, the crowds. So you can social distance with your friends, you can social distance with even locals because once they know that you're there or once you know that you're in their parish, all of them descend on you and they try to share different locations with you because Turtle Bay it's little, but it packs a punch.
Indeed.
And even though you take quite a long time reaching Portland, say from Kingston, you reach and then you're just like, yes, I don't regret it. I enjoyed my time there and I would literally go back again. And it doesn't the drive does not matter.
Okay.
Yeah, what's the difference now since we're in COVID times and you mentioned that? How is it different having a day out as opposed to a day out now as opposed to then? Like what's different?
In terms of the crowds, you have less people going out. I think it's because of just persons are hesitant to go out and they don't know what to expect. So the persons that actually go out like me, I take the necessary precautions and I make sure that everybody is protected. Like if we have to wear our mask until we are alone, then we do so. But less persons are going out in my estimation.
Okay.
And I think it is just because of fear of the whole pandemic and not knowing how to deal with what is happening.
Right.
But I can safely say that persons should try to go out. Just make sure that you wear your mask and you sanitize and you social distance. Beaches are now trying to open once again, but it's just the crowd for me. The crowd.
And
that's the only difference.
Just to balance having a good time, but of course remaining safe. So Excel just asked you about the difference, but how is it then that now can we maximize our road trips? Because a lot of the times back in the day, before COVID, I mean, you had to have a big crowd, a lot of friends, a lot
Yes,
going
yes,
on
yes,
to have a
yes, yes.
good time on a road trip, you know. So how can we maximize this experience when we're actually discovering Jamaica?
Okay, so I would say to go with somebody that you know you'll have a good time with. You don't have to have the bag of friends to have a good time these days. Because basically, when they cut down locations to having only 15 persons maximum, you can only take your friend and then your other friend that you kind of know.
Yeah.
But just make sure that you foster good relationships where you know that, yeah, if I call on this person, then they will definitely have a good time with me and the feeling will be mutual. Also, you want to just look for hidden gems, like I said, like say Mansion Hill as opposed to the Boston Bay. You know, everybody and their dog is going to Boston Bay Beach and Frenchman's Cove and
Right.
those places. So if you can go to say, you know, it's a little drive off Boston Bay, but when you look at the location on a whole, you're just like, yes, I can spend the day here and leave happy. So once you're able to go on the off the beaten path per se
The
and
road
go
less
with an
traveled.
open mind, and talk to the locals, something that you're out of your comfort zone with doing, because you know you have your schedule. You have your schedule and you know what you're going to do and you know what you're going to accomplish and you know where you're going to go, but try to think out of the box and say, you know, I'm going to talk to a local today. I'm going to stop a man on the road and say, hey, where's the best beach or where's the best river or where the best waterfall is? More than likely, they will say, you know that place that you keep passing and nobody knows about. Come, let me take you there. I mean, you're going to use your discretion and make sure that you don't get kidnapped. But Jamaican people on a whole, and I've done it many times where I've stopped and said, you know, where is the best place? Just like how I stumbled on Turtle Bay, because Google Maps not going to really help you with that. And Turtle Bay, I would call it a cove. um yeah, I found that out and know where to drive and which backyard to park and then go through somebody's land to stumble upon this mesmerizing location. And the water
Oh.
was nice and warm, and oh, talking about it, I want to go back, and I've gone on Monday, like Monday gone. So I'm just in total love with the hidden gems and just enjoying my time with persons that make my time worthwhile.
All right, Lexi. Well, thank you so much. I mean, we loved hearing about your experiences, or some of them so far, and it seems you've been having a blast.
She's having a good time, a very good time.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, so everyone, take some time, explore Jamaica, and discover some hidden gems for yourself. That was Alexandria Daly, lifestyle blogger.